all mean, huh?
Just trying to make it better.
Oh! Here, take your shoes off. She doesn't want your mom. You gotta pull the back part, Barbie. Pull the back part down.
Is that an onion?
Inside. Here, let me take your shoes I'm telling you, I'm not the good person today, so.
Pull the back. There you go, Chewy.
I'll go in there and eat that hot cake.
What?
Is there any more beer? That's my egg. Why is just my beer?
Hey, listen here. Don't you talk to me like that, okay?
Ah!
I'll have my boy Bubba get you, okay? I'll throw your ass in the pool.
What did you say?
I said, I'll throw your ass in the pool. You see me throw Rosalie in there. That fuck your whole day up on it.
It'd probably be like Rosalie after a minute, huh?
Matthew, bring me a beer.
Yeah, right?
How much do you go off? Have you ever done this on the grill?
Nope. What, corn on the cob?
Yeah.
Nope.
No? Matthew, turn this way so Bubba can get her face. Come over this way, in this corner, and then turn around.